You can see the internal details once the outer shell is removed. You can see internal components such as the oil pump, valves, cooling fan, and oil tank. The internal structure is clearly visible at a glance. You can see the dual cooling fans. The hydraulic system is cooled by a dual fan cold plate. It is not prone to overheating during prolonged operation. It ensures the efficient, stable, and reliable operation of the hydraulic system. The hydraulic control system consists of 3 oil pumps and is composed of curved linear reversing valves, high-precision FRSky servos, and the FRSky ethos system. The micro-movement and linkage feel of the overall hydraulic system is significantly improved compared to traditional hydraulic excavator models. The hydraulic station adopts a combined mode of 3 pumps and multiple valves in superposition. It features a compact and reliable structure, reducing the probability of oil leakage. Moreover, each of the 3 oil pumps can be controlled separately via the remote control. The standard version adopts a 3-pump and 4-valve configuration. The oil pump speed is adjustable, and the pressure is sufficient. This ensures that all hydraulic functions can operate with sufficient power. It enables precise movements between the boom, arm, and bucket. When combined with the high-precision slewing mechanism, it can easily achieve refined operations. This gear pump is precision machined, with a pressure range of 4 to 6 megapascals. Here is the slewing motor. The high-precision slewing mechanism of the E400. It is a newly designed low backlash reduction mechanism by SFROG. The slewing operation is more delicate and precise. Now let's take a look at how to use the remote control to adjust the oil pump speed.
These 3 buttons correspond to the 3 pumps respectively. It can be seen that the first pump is rotating, while the other pumps are not operating. Turn off the first pump and then turn on the second pump. Next, let's turn on the third pump. We normally turn on all 3 pumps to operate. The 3 hydraulic pumps will operate simultaneously. This is a hydraulic station module meticulously developed by the SFROG team. Each pump speed can be controlled individually. It can be seen that our operations are different. It can be seen that our operations are different. The high-precision slewing enables extremely precise and smooth control. It can slew very quickly, and also rotate very slowly. Using 3 oil circuit hard pipes. Connections are made using flange joints. The excavator features a neat oil circuit layout. It can be seen that the oil cylinder is extremely precise. The craftsmanship is extremely exquisite. The metal-toothed bucket, with its metal teeth, ensures the strength required for excavation. It can be seen that the bottom is also full of holes. It can be seen that the bottom is also full of holes. And it can be seen that there is an oil drain hole under the oil tank. This makes it more convenient for subsequent maintenance and hydraulic oil replacement.